Why is a consultation important before getting a major color change? A consultation ensures you and your stylist are aligned on expectations and the final result. It allows the stylist to assess your hair's current condition, texture, and history to determine what's possible. Drastic color changes, like going from dark to blonde or adding vivid tones, often require multiple sessions for the best outcome. Your stylist will explain the process, timeline, and maintenance required to achieve and maintain your new color. A consultation helps you understand the potential risks of damage and how to keep your hair healthy. If your hair has been previously colored, your stylist can recommend the best approach for even, long-lasting results. It's also the perfect time to discuss budget, as major color transformations may require multiple appointments. Seeing reference photos and talking through shades ensures the color you envision is realistic and achievable. Your stylist may perform a strand test to check how your hair will react to the color process. Toners, treatments, and at-home care products will be recommended to keep your color fresh and vibrant. A consultation prevents miscommunication, unexpected results, and unnecessary hair damage. Taking this step ensures you get a gorgeous, healthy, and professionally executed color transformation.